맑은 하늘 아래 흐린 표정으로 누군가의 배웅을 하고 있는 남자 찰리. 멀어지는 그 뒷모습을 바라보다 집으로 돌아온 그에게 하나둘 떠오르는 과거의 기억들은 자신을 괴롭히기 시작했고 결국 멈출 수 없는 불안함에 자신의 누나에게 전화를 건 찰리.
Charlie?
I just can't stop thinking about something.
What?
What if I wanted her to die, Candace? I've tried to stop thinking that, but I can't. She keeps driving
Call the
away.
police and send them to my house.
Stop her. Crazy again.
No, Charlie, listen to me. Charlie? Charlie!
과연 그에겐 무슨 일이 있었던 걸까요? 영화 월플라워입니다. 중학교를 졸업하고 고등학교 입학을 하루 앞둔 찰리.
Dear friend, you see, I haven't really talked to anyone outside of my family all summer. Tomorrow is my first day of high school ever, and I need to turn things around.
그런 자신의 소식을 유일한 친구인 마이클에게 편지하는 그였지만 1년 전 스스로 목숨을 끊은 마이클에겐 그 편지는 닿을 수가 없었고 그렇다는 걸 알고 있지만 평소 지독하리만큼 내향적이었던 그에게 유일한 친구의 빈자리는 너무나도 컸었습니다. 뿐만 아니라
I just hope I make a friend soon. If my parents ask me about it, I probably won't tell them the truth because I don't want them to worry that I might get bad again. Love always, Charlie.
마이클의 죽음으로 인한 고통으로 한동안 병원에서 시간을 보냈던 그였기에 고등학교에서의 첫 출발은 부모님에게도 커다란 걱정거리였죠.
Charlie, come on.
It's a little nervous about starting high school today, so I made it for him.
그렇게 시작된 고등학교에서의 첫째 날.
Hey, you know what? Why don't you guys get a room?
그곳은 찰리의 걱정대로 아니면 그보다 더
Hey, freshman toad.
그가 적응하기 힘든 곳일지도 모르겠습니다. 그리고 시작된 그의 첫 번째 영어 수업과 해당 수업의 선생님을 맡게 된 앤더슨.
I'm Mr. Anderson. I'm going to be your teacher for freshman English. Now, who'd like to get out of the first pop quiz? If you tell me which author invented the paperback book. 3A on anything except the final term paper if you get it right. Yeah,
Shakespeare.
that's a great guess, but no. Shakespeare didn't write novels. Anybody else? The author was Charles Dickens.
그런 찰리의 소극적인 태도에 아쉬웠던 그였지만
Why didn't you raise your hand?
평생을 그렇게 살아온 찰리에겐 쉬운 일이 아니었죠.
Don't worry, Mr. Anderson. I'm okay.
하지만 그런 찰리에게도 예상치 못한 변화의 바람이 불어오게 되는데
On the bright side, one senior decided to make fun of the teacher instead of the freshman.
졸업반 선배이자 유쾌한 성격을 가졌던 상급생 패트릭. 그는 선생님의 흉내를 내며 신입생들의 긴장감을 풀어주었고 그런 패트릭의 자신감과 용기에 찰리는 묘한 동경심을 느끼게 됩니다.
I heard you were going to be in my class.
며칠 후 학교에선 미식축구 대회가 열리게 됐고 그곳에서 패트릭을 발견한 찰리는 결국 용기를 내 그의 옆에 한 발짝 다가가게 되죠.
Hey, Patrick.
Hey, you're in my shop class, right? You want to sit over here, or are you waiting for your friends?
No, I'll sit. So, do you like football?
Love it. Love football.
그때
Question. Bathrooms here be more disgusting?
때마침 등장한 패트릭의 이복 동생이자 같은 학교 졸업반을 다니고 있던 샘.
It's nice to meet you, Charlie. I'm Sam.
뛰어난 외모, 기분 좋은 친화력. 자신과 이들은 다른 세상 사람들이라 생각해왔지만 어쩌면 그걸 나눈 것부터가 자신의 실수였을 거라는 생각이 듭니다.
We're going to King's after the game if you want to come.
그렇게 경기가 끝나고 뒤풀이에 참석하게 된 찰리.
So what are you gonna do when you get out of this place?
Well, my Aunt Helen said I should be a writer, but I don't know what I'd write about.
You could write about us. Bye, Charlie!
Bye, Charlie.
오랜만에 느낀 소속감에 즐거웠던 찰리였지만 집으로 돌아온 그가 목격한 건 자신의 애인에게 폭력을 당하던 누나와 그럼에도 사랑을 이어가려는 그녀의 모습.
Candace, what are you doing?
Please don't tell Mom and Dad. He's never hit me before, and I promise you, he will never hit me again.
Like Aunt Helen's boyfriends?
그렇습니다. 과거 자신의 집에서 지냈던 헬레니모 역시 사랑에 대한 많은 아픔이 있어 보였고 그 아픔을 해소하기라도 하듯 어린 찰리에게 넘치는 사랑을 줬던 그녀. 그 사랑에 찰리 또한 그녀를 진심으로 좋아하고 따랐었지만 그녀는 찰리의 선물을 사러 가던 길 불의의 사고를 당하며 끝내 이들의 곁을 떠나고야 말았죠. 그렇게 다음날 그는 그런 누나의 행동이 마음에 들지 않았었고
You want another one?
혹시 앤더슨이라면
Mr. Anderson,
자신보다 현명한 어른으로 보이던 그라면 그 답을 알고 있을 수도 있었습니다.
why do nice people choose the wrong people to date?
Are we talking about anyone specific?
We accept the love we think we deserve.
Can we make them know that they deserve more?
We can try.
그날 밤 학교에서는 댄스 파티 행사가 열렸고 언제나처럼 벽에 기대 그들과 어울리지 못하던 찰리. 하지만 그때
Oh my god, they're playing good music. Get out of the way!
그런 그들의 모습에서 찰리는 희망이 보입니다. 만약 저 자신감을 가질 수 있다면, 나도 그들처럼 당당할 수 있다면 이 고통에서 벗어날 수 있을 것 같았고, 그렇게 찰리는 자신만의 날개짓을 시작하게 되죠.
This is a party. Meet ladies.
Hey, Mary Elizabeth.
Hey! Look who's here.
Is that Brad Hayes?
브래드 헤이즈. 학교 미식축구의 주장이었던 그는 모든 학생들의 인기를 한몸에 받고 있었고, 그런 그와 같은 파티에 참여하고 있다는 사실이 찰리는 믿기지가 않았습니다.
But he's a popular kid.
Then what are we?
Oh, Charlie. You look like you could use a brownie.
파티가 무르익고 생전 처음으로 술에 취하게 된 찰리.
Charlie.
Weird.
그리고 술 기운에 샘에게 마이클의 이야기를 털어놓게 되는데
Guessing you've never been high before.
No. No. My best friend Michael, his dad was a big drinker, so he hated all that stuff.
Well, where is Michael tonight?
Oh, he shot himself last May. Kinda wished he left a note, you know what I mean? Where's the bathroom?
괜히 불편해진 공기에 자리를 뜬 그는 우연히 패트릭의 비밀을 목격하게 되죠.
Charlie.
그렇습니다. 사실 동성애자였던 패트릭과 그런 그의 연애 상대였던 브래드.
Relax. Relax, he's a friend of mine.
하지만 보수적이고 엄격한 브래드의 아버지는 그의 동성애를 이해할 리가 만무했고, 그렇게 둘의 연애는 철저히 비밀로 붙일 수밖에 없었던 것이었죠.
Okay, listen. Brad doesn't want anyone to know. I need you to promise, okay? This has to be our little secret.
누군가와의 비밀.
Be our little secret, okay?
Please don't tell Mom and Dad.
찰리의 인생은 그것으로 가득했던 삶이었기에 그것을 지키는 것은 별로 어렵지 않았습니다.
Have a little secret. Agreed.
Isn't this the best milkshake ever, Alice?
한편 마이클의 얘기를 들은 샘은 그것이 계속 마음에 걸렸었고, 결국 해당 이야기를 패트릭에게 전달하는 그녀.
Just told me this best friend shot himself. I don't think he has any friends.
그리고
Hey, everyone, everybody. Raise your glasses to Charlie. We just want to toast our new friend.
I didn't think anyone noticed me.
Welcome to the island of misfit toys.
찰리는 이 순간 그 누구보다 행복합니다.
Have you ever heard this before?
어쩌면 그건 나 혼자가 아닌 이 기분을 같이 나눌 누군가가 옆에 있기 때문일 겁니다.
Don't worry, she does it all the time. Turn it up! Got it, Your Highness.
Just for one day.
I feel infinite. Dear friend, I'm sorry I haven't written for a while, but I've been trying hard not to be a loser. I'm also writing essays and studying extra books outside of class. As it turns out, Mr. Anderson is a writer. He and his wife might go back there after this year. I know this is selfish, but I really hope he doesn't. My favorite time, though, is lunch because I get to see Sam and Patrick. We spend the time working on Mary Elizabeth's fanzine about music and the Rocky Horror Picture Show. Mary Elizabeth is really interesting because she's a Buddhist and a punk, but somehow she always acts like my father at the end of a long day. I really like Sam. I asked my sister about her, and she said that when Sam was a freshman, the upperclassmen used to get her drunk at parties. I guess she had a reputation, but I don't care. I'd hate for her to judge me based on what I used to be like. So I've been making her a mixtape so she'll know how I feel.
하지만
Oh, shit.
신입생인 찰리와 달리 졸업반이었던 이들에겐 대입시험의 관문이 눈앞에 있었고
How'd your SATs go, by the way?
1150. I think I'll get into NYU.
Yeah, I hope so.
1490, Harvard. Face.
그런 친구들과 다르게 시험 성적이 좋지 않았던 샘.
Got my SAT results back. If I'm going to Penn State main campus, I have to do much better. I wish I would have studied freshman year.
그러나 평소 공부만큼은 자신 있던 찰리는 이 기회를 놓치지 않았죠.
I'll help you study for the next one.
그렇게 찰리의 용기에서 시작된 오로지 단 둘만의 시간과 시간은 흘러 어느덧 학기의 막바지로 향하는 이들.
Pretty good, Charlie. You gotta be kidding me.
If you fail me, you get me next semester.
1210.
What?
No more applications! No more SAT! Thank you, Charlie!
결국 원하는 점수를 받은 샘과 친구들은 크리스마스를 맞아 파티를 열게 됐고 친구들을 위해 작은 선물을 준비해온 찰리.
Alright, Mary Elizabeth. And this one's for me.
그렇습니다. 그가 모두에게 선물을 나눠준 건 사실 샘에게 선물을 주기 위한 명분이었죠.
Alice, I know you'll get into NYU.
He knows me. He really knows me.
잠시 후 찰리를 자신의 방으로 데려온 샘.
You got me a present? I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything. After all your help with my Penn State application. Now look at you in that suit. You're like a sexy English schoolboy. When I met you, you were this scared freshman.
Well, it hasn't worked so far.
You've never had a girlfriend? Not even like a second grade Valentine?
What about you?
You know, Charlie, I used to sleep with guys who treated me like shit and get wasted all the time. But now I feel like I have a chance. Like I could even get into a real college.
It's true, you can do it.
그녀는 다를 거라고 생각했었습니다. 하지만 그녀 역시 과거에 많은 상처들이 있었고 마냥 당당해 보이던 그녀도 아직 그 상처들에 고통받고 있다는 생각이 듭니다.
My aunt had that same thing done to her too. And she turned her life around. She was my favorite person in the world.
You really think so?
하지만 찰리의 날개짓은 순탄하게 흘러가지 않았습니다. 같이 어울려 다니던 친구 메리는 그에게 댄스 파티에 파트너를 요청했고
Charlie, have you heard of the Sadie Hawkins dance? Could you maybe want to go with me?
You want to go with me?
샘을 좋아하던 찰리였기에 그것을 거절하고 싶었지만 누군가에게 거절이란 행동을 한다는 것은 그에게 아직 너무나도 커다란 산이었죠. 결국 인생 첫 번째 데이트를 메리와 하게 된 찰리.
You must be Mary Elizabeth.
Buddhist, I need you to smile a little bit more. A little closer together.
그렇게 원치 않는 파티에서 힘든 시간을 보낸 그였지만 찰리가 마음에 들었던 그녀는 그를 자신의 집까지 초대하게 되는데
Now just let it breathe.
Where are your parents?
They'll be gone all night. Charlie, don't be nervous.
결국 거절을 못하는 그의 성격은 그를 다시 또 새로운 시련에 가두게 만들었죠.
I just can't believe you're my boyfriend.
Dear friend, sorry I haven't written for a while, but things are a total disaster. I probably should have been honest about how I didn't want to go out with Mary Elizabeth after Sadie's, but I really didn't want to hurt her feelings. And I tried not to mind that she loves to hold hands even when her hands are sweaty.
Charlie, you've got to break up with her.
I can do that?
찰리는 그녀의 모든 것이 마음에 들지 않았고 쌓여있던 불만들에 그는 끝내 커다란 실수를 저지르고야 맙니다.
In hindsight, I probably could not have picked a worse way to be honest with Mary Elizabeth.
Truth or dare?
Let's think. Charlie,
Truth.
how's your first relationship going?
It's so bad that I keep fantasizing that one of us is dying of cancer so that I don't have to break up with her.
Charlie, truth or dare? Hello?
Dare?
Okay. I dare you to kiss the prettiest girl in the room on the lips. Gird your loins, procreator. Oh, that's fucked up.
I'm so sorry.
What the hell is wrong with you?
I hate to be the one to break this. It's best if you just stay away for a while.
그렇게 한순간의 잘못으로 친구들의 관계를 무너뜨리고만 찰리.
I know, I'm sorry. It's just, we've all become such good friends.
Good friends?
Yeah, I just don't want to do anything to ruin our relationship.
It's ruined, okay? So stop calling everyone.
결국 다시 보이기 시작하는 헬레니 모아의 기억과 마이클의 기억들. 심지어
Hey, you heard from Patrick?
No, he told me to stay away.
Brad's father caught them together.
패트릭과의 연애를 부모님께 들킨 브래드는 아버지의 체벌로 얼굴이 망가져버렸고 그것을 바라보며 무너지는 패트릭의 마음.
Are you okay?
Not now, Charlie. I'm sorry.
하지만 언제나 모든 것을 숨겨왔던 브래드는 자신의 망가진 얼굴의 이유를 친구들에게 솔직하게 말하지 못했고 그 거짓말은 쌓이고 쌓여 결국 패트릭의 마음을 완전히 뭉개놓게 됩니다.
Oops. You gonna do anything?
What are you talking about?
Talking about your pet ape just tripped me. You can say something? Do you want your friends to know you got those bruises? Really? Do your friends
I don't
know?
know what kind of sick shit you're trying to pull, but you better walk away right now.
Say hi to your dad for me.
Whatever, faggot.
What did you just call me?
He's called you a faggot.
Say that shit again! Say that shit!
바로 그때
Touch my friends again and I'll blind you.
Thanks for stopping him.
그렇게 자신도 모르는 사이 많은 것이 변했던 찰리. 그리고 그의 용기는 친구들의 마음을 움직이게 만들었죠.
How you doing, Charlie?
Keep trying, but I can't really remember what I did.
Do you want me to tell you?
Yeah?
You saved my brother. That's what you did.
So you're not scared of me? Can we be friends again?
Do you want to get out of here?
여전히 힘들어하는 패트릭.
I've been spending a lot of time with Patrick. He begins every night really excited. He always says he feels free and tonight is his destiny. But after a while, he runs out of things to keep himself numb.
하지만 그는 자신을 함부로 대하던 브래드를 놓으려 하고 있었습니다.
I'm free now, right? I could meet the love of my life any second. Things will be different now, and that's good. I just need to meet a good guy.
나와 내 주변 사람들과는 다르게 그는 자신의 감정과 자유를 먼저 생각했고 힘들 테지만 그는 그것을 정면으로 극복하는 선택을 내렸습니다.
Oh my god. My life is officially an after-school special. Son of a bitch! It really is.
It's alright.
시간은 흘러 졸업만을 남겨둔 이들과 원하는 대학에 결국 합격하고만 샘. 그리고 이것은 누군가에겐 새 출발을, 그리고 누군가에겐 이별을, 찰리에겐 다시 혼자를 의미하는 것이었죠.
And tomorrow, she's leaving. At her going away party, I wanted her to know about that night we went through the tunnel. And how for the first time, I felt like I belonged somewhere.
Thanks for staying up with me.
Sure. Pretty soon you'll have a whole new group of friends, You won't even think about this place anymore.
I had lunch with Craig today. He said he was sorry and that I was right to break up with him. I'm driving away and just feeling so small. asking myself, why do I and everyone I love pick people who treat us like we're nothing?
Why people choose the wrong people to date? We accept the love we think we deserve.
We accept the love we think we deserve.
Then why didn't you ever ask me out?
I just didn't think that you wanted that.
Well, what did you want?
Well, I just want you to be happy.
Don't you get it, Charlie? I can't feel that. It's really sweet and everything, but you can't just sit there and put everybody's lives ahead of yours and think that counts as love. I don't want to be somebody's crush. I want people to like the real me.
I know who you are, Sam. I know I'm quiet. And I know I should speak more. If you knew the things that were in my head most of the time, you'd know what it really meant, how much we're alike, and how we've been through the same things. And you're not small. You're beautiful.
하지만 그때 허벅지를 만지자 떠오르는 헬레니모의 기억들.
What's wrong, Charlie?
Nothing.
그렇게 다음날 힘들게 용기를 냈건만 이제야 진정한 변화가 찾아올 줄 알았건만 또다시 혼자가 된 찰리는 자신의 늦은 용기들이 이 순간만큼은 너무나도 후회스러울 겁니다. 그리고 자꾸만 떠오르는 어제의 기억들.
Don't wake your sister. It'll be our little secret, okay?
그렇습니다. 사실 찰리는 어릴 적 헬레니모에게 지속적으로 성을 착취당해 왔었습니다. 그러면서 아이러니하게도 헬레니모를 그 누구보다 좋아했었던 것이었죠. 자신의 누나가 그러하듯 헬레니모가 그러했듯 그리고 샘이 그러하듯 자신을 함부로 대하는 사람을 놓지 못하고 오히려 그 사람을 더욱 좋아하고 집착한 건 다름 아닌 바로 자신이었습니다.
Why do nice people choose the wrong people to date?
Are we talking about anyone specific?
사실 이 모든 걸 알고 있었지만 마음속 깊이 숨겨놓고 절대 꺼내보지 않았던 찰리. 하지만 1년 동안 겪은 많은 변화와 다시 혼자가 됐다는 지금 이 상황에 평생을 숨겨왔던 그 모든 사실을 그는 눈앞에 꺼내버리고 맙니다.
My fault. My fault. My fault.
Our little secret, okay?
Stop it. Stop crying. Stop crying. It'll be our little secret.
결국 멈출 수 없는 불안함에 자신의 누나에게 전화를 건 찰리.
Charlie?
I just can't stop thinking about myself.
What?
What if I wanted her to die, Candace? I've tried to stop thinking that, but I can't. She keeps driving
Call the
away.
police and send them to my house.
Stop her. Crazy again.
No, Charlie, listen to me. Charlie? Charlie!
결정적 순간 경찰의 도움으로 병원으로 오게 된 찰리.
Where am I? Just tell me how to stop it.
Stop what?
No, not me. It's them. It's everyone. It never stops. Do you understand?
또다시 자신의 고통을 숨기고 핑계를 대보는 그였지만
If you want to get better, you have to.
She was insane.
결국 그는 그녀에게 과거의 모든 것들을 털어놓게 됩니다. 이후 그 사실은 부모님에게 전달됐고 찰리의 아픔들을 진심으로 안아줄 수 있게 된 가족들.
I was in the hospital for a while. I won't go into detail about all of it, but I will say there were some very bad days. My sister told me she met a nice guy at her summer job. My doctor said we can't choose where we come from, but we can choose where we go from there. I know it's not all the answers, but it was enough to start putting these pieces together.
그렇게 퇴원을 마친 찰리는 가족들과 그리고 그를 보러 온 친구들과 시간을 보내며 영화는 끝을 맺게 됩니다.
Let's drive.
So if this does end up being the last letter, even if you didn't know what I was talking about, or know someone who's gone through it, you made me not feel alone. Because I know there are people who say all these things don't happen. And there are people who forget what it's like to be 16 when they turn 17. I know these will all be stories someday, and our pictures will become old photographs. We'll all become somebody's mom or dad. But right now, these moments are not stories. This is happening. I am here, and I am looking at her. And she is so beautiful. I can see it. This one moment when you know you're not a sad story. You are alive. And you stand up and see the lights on the buildings and everything that makes you wonder. And in this moment, I swear, we are infinite.